Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, let's do some conversations on different topics. The first one is between a teacher and a student. So let's get started. Student, hi, sir. Can I ask you a question with regard to homework assignment? Teacher, of course. Feel free to ask. What do you need help with? I'm a bit confused and gravely entangled about the math problems we were assigned with. Could you please explain in depth details as to how to solve them? Teacher, sure. Let's go through them together. Which specific problem are you having trouble with? Student, it's solely about fractions and decimals. I tried hard with converting between the two, but in vain. Teacher, no problem. I'll explain you the concept as to how to get good grasp on it step by step. Let's work on it together until you feel yourself comfortable with it. What you have to do is to focus yourself completely. Repeat and try hard time and time again. Wish you all the best. Student, thank you, sir. The next conversation is between two friends about the basketball game. Friend 1, hey, did you catch the basketball game last night? Friend 2, yeah, I did. It was intense though. The leading runners were neck to neck until the last quarter. Friend 1, I know, right? The game was so close, and the buzzer beater shot was worthy of the highest praise. Friend 2, certainly. It's moments like that which make basketball so thrilling to watch. I just can't wait for the next match. Friend 1, I totally agree. Basketball always keeps us on the edge of our seats with those nail-biting finishes. Friend 2, absolutely. The skills and teamwork displayed in each single game are just captivating. By the way, who is your favorite player in the league right now? Friend 1, I'm a big fan of favorite player. Their agility and perfect shooting accuracy are just incredible. How about you? Friend 2, favorite player is amazing. I'm more into another favorite player for their defensive and outstanding prowess and, of course, leadership on the court. It's fascinating that how each player brings something unique to the game. Friend 1, thanks for your company and comments. Hope to see you soon. Bye. The next conversation between two friends is about cricket match. Friend 1, hey, did you catch the cricket match yesterday? Friend 2, oh yes, I watched it. The match was so captivating and full of excitement, especially the last few overs. Friend 1, absolutely. The tension was quite high, and the way they chased down the set target was a treat to watch. A nerve-shattering moment. Friend 2, I was literally on the edge of my seat during the entire show. It was so thrilling and full of excitement throughout. Especially the last over with all the boundaries was incredible. Friend 1, I totally agree. It's moments like those that make cricket so exciting to watch. By the way, who is your favorite cricketer in the current team? Friend 2, I have to go with favorite cricketer. Their batting skills are just unmatched, and they always deliver when it counts. How about you? Friend 1, favorite cricketer, is a solid choice, although I admire another favorite cricketer for their bowling, fitness, and consistency. It's amazing that how each player brings their own natural ability to the game. Friend 2, I second to you. It was so nice to talk to you, and thanks for your comments as well. Catch you soon. Bye. Bye.